Guys, there's a bird! Look at the birds! Wait, are they laughing? Okay, these are weird. Look at that bird up there! Cute! Kiki, there's more right there. Cute! There's finches. Oh, whoa, they're huge! Whoa! Whoa! Crazy! Look at the finches. Aww, cute. Oh, there's an African lovebird up there. There's more birds. We can have a break and take them all. Okay, guys, have a break. Guys, see, this is a crane. Look at that crane. It's down there. As you can. Hello, sis. The crane is doing something. It's so loud in the crane. Oh my God. What is that? Ah, there's a macaw! It's squawk! It's squawk! It's squawk! It's a macaw.
Blue and yellow.
It's a macaw. It's a macaw. It's what is he doing over there? What are you doing, squawk? Oh my God, guys. So there's a lot of birds. There's a lot. Oh my God. There's a lot of birds. I'm going to show you them later. Let's see them. Are you ready? Yeah.